As dawn rises, the natural world enters a new gamble for survival. Every breath, every movement is a declaration of war between hunter and hunted. Where nature rules with a ruthless law, only instinct decides who will survive until dawn.
They look a little chubby.
As dawn breaks, the entire Serengeti seems to hold its breath. A pale, golden light spreads across the endless plains, as soft as a vow to the earth. The wild awakens under the first rays of Sunday, the dew settles and glitters.